Wow. Clearly not acting right.
Nope. Hang on, I'm gonna grab my gloves.
What's up, man?
What's up?
Doing yoga?
I know.
What'd you take?
Not before. I just got out of CDCS.
What'd you take, man?
What, last night?
Yeah. Just wait. You're not in any trouble. You're just jumping. Do you live here?
It's
When you live and work around drug addicts for long enough, you begin to see the holes in our rehabilitation system. The video for today shows a man who was in a rehab facility for a period no less than 5 months. Once he completed this rehabilitation program, he was placed into a sober living house. This sober living house is located in the same neighborhood where he used to use and be addicted to drugs. His rehabilitation did not last 1 week before he relapsed. These are serious issues that we need to find a way to fix.
It's like you're taking your clothes off, too.
Nah.
No, the stuff behind
You just take them all out of your bag?
Nah, I took them in I got 2 book bags.
What's going on?
Oh man, look, I got out of the program Friday and just took me to a reset river. It's like a silver river. It's over here and we got familiar with it, so I'm online. Man, there's fucking more dope there than anything.
Sure.
Yeah, I just had I don't like going here because of some real, this is my safest time to get here. Why is that? That's all they want to do is smoke dope, you know? I don't have anywhere else to go. Yeah, it ain't gonna be long, you know, like all this enthusiasm stories is fuck. I don't want to go in there. Man, it's my sister doing it all over, but
Your sister lives here?
good.
Yeah.
Rehab in the house and thinks there's squatters
What's her
inside.
name?
Doors.
Okay. It's not the caller, so. Oh, I was just. She's not the one that called. Okay.
It's one of those things, man, like, we don't get along. Oh, we do. Well, I got out.
When I saw me,
I like to get dope, but I get money to get dope. And once I don't give it to him, so where I'm at tonight.
So, when did you get out of rehab or whatever?
Friday.
And then you were in a sober living house since then?
Oh, yeah, no, that's,
Today's Wednesday.
man, I'm telling
It's
you.
been about 5 days.
Yeah, I mean, it ain't like.
Have you been sober this whole time?
Listen, I'm gonna be honest, I did a little bit of crack, you know, just wild hair in my ass, but
Yeah.
fentanyl, I ain't fuck with it. I don't want to fuck
anyway,
Are you sure it was just crack that you did?
with it.
Think it was meth?
115 Martin Avenue,
Yeah.
2019 dark blue Subaru Forester.
Yeah.
But it's, you know, I ain't saying it's my choice, but look,
Taken out of a
I
7.
didn't try to put all my apples in one fucking basket, but
Where'd you go to treatment? How'd you get into treatment and all that?
CDCF. Either I could have went to
Do you just take you back? You want us to take you back?
no.
The traffic signal at Fisher and McKinley is out. If you could advise, people are treating it as a 4 right now.
You know.
Okay.
I mean, I ain't gonna say I'm
Are you on like probation or parole?
yeah.
Okay.
But the thing is, like, I'm hoping I can get some good avenues I'm comfortable with, but
Did you go to like court-ordered rehab? Is that what it was?
now what happened was,
Through-
option, you know, either go to prison or, you know, go to CDCF.
Mm-hmm.
And back then, you know, because of the COVID, whatever, it's only like a 90-day program, but I'm trying to do 5 months.
Mm-hmm.
But it's still all jail time credit, but,
Yeah.
man, you guys already both know it. I mean, it's fucked up out here, but I put myself in this position, but, I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't think I want... That's the whole thing. My PO, he's cool, but this is what I told him. Like, I just ain't gonna dive into something without knowing, because when I went there, ain't like they're doing dope out in the hope, but you can tell, you know, you got that intuition. I'm like, hell no. I mean, oh well, I don't know, man. It's upsetting for real.
Well, is your plan to get clean and stay clean?
Oh, I know. Yeah, this is the worst place I can be.
Yeah.
But you know, I don't know. I felt like a better decision if I'd got out there.
Yeah.
You know.
But your sister doesn't know you're here.
Yeah. Maybe not tonight, but.
How long have you been out here on their porch?
Nah, what time is it now?
9:18 in the morning.
Nah, about 4.5 hours.
Really?
Well, I mean.
You just didn't have the heart to knock on the door and ask for help, or what?
So what happened was, I got into it yesterday.
Okay.
Not that, but here's the thing, every time.
Is she going to be upset when she finds out you're sitting out here?
Nah, I don't know. Well, it might be all because, no.
Okay.
They'll be upset because I probably didn't get no fucking rope.
Oh, really?
To be honest.
Are they users too?
They just smoke crack and steal. You know,
Well, then in that case, is this really the best place for you?
I ain't trying to be mean. Go in and walk around.
Yeah.
Man,
Okay.
I can't sleep comfortable.
Well, is there any place we can take you?
Nah. You know what? I'm just going to wait. I'll leave, you know what I mean? I mean, anybody don't want to call you and drive around. Whatever.
You were doing some like crazy
Yeah.
crap cat stripping.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, some.
My concern is that if we just leave, you're going to do that somewhere else.
Oh.
Good. I don't want to get
I'll leave.
I don't want to get called on you down on Sullivan doing the same thing.
I feel what you're saying.
You know what I mean?
What would be the best thing I can do? You know. I don't
Well,
know,
where do you
leave
normally? Where have you gone in the past? Like, is there any place we could take you?
No, I'm gonna be honest. Me and my doctor's working on something. It's all about patience. I have her help me with my third stimulus. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, she got a nice job. I mean,
Well, that stimulus might be the worst thing that you can get.
I know what you're saying. That's the reason I'm letting her kind of handle it. Just to not put myself in that situation. Look, I'm proud because it's a life-death situation. I start fucking with fentanyl. I'm not saying I'm a fucking angel, but man, it's fucked up. But this is my, you know.
Yeah. Well, we're not here judging you or anything, man.
I just want to make sure there's be no stupid ass young anymore.
Yeah, and like you're not necessarily in control. Like you are when you're talking to us, but when we leave and there's no one to focus on, you're gonna start flopping around and all that other stuff.
I mean, probably sleeping over, but
Yeah.
I'm ready to go.
But you do have a bed at that sober living house. You just don't like being there. Well, do you have a case manager or anything? You can talk to them. And
But you know, we talked about
who put you in that sober house?
I did.
How'd you get
all
in?
because you know I was hoping you'd get the look.
Did you get in there through an organization though?
Okay, I'm on probation. That's what I was trying to tell you. Like I got 11 months in.
I got
I
that.
try to approach the ways and kind of like okay.
But he's
got
not.
a fucking month
Your
left
probation
on my
officer's not the one that put you in there.
head. Oh no, it ain't his money, but
How'd you get in there?
it was fucking a drug possession and a.
No, into the sober living house. Who set that up for you?
It was a case, man, but.
Okay, call your case manager and tell him what's going on there. And
But she, okay, I feel what you're saying.
Tell me you need to get a
I
new
told
spot.
her Avenue up what it is, you know. Once you get out there, I ain't gonna tell you give a fuck. I mean, it is what you're making.
no, I know that.
But
I've
it
seen
could
that.
be worse for me right now. It's just like,
No, it fucking sucks because
look at this, like, you know.
you went through all that time to get yourself clean, and then they don't give a fuck when you get out, right?
That's the whole thing. I mean, I'm thinking about really just go outside of Franklin County so I can be more, what's the word, like, you know. Like,
Away from this stuff.
how often? I mean, I ain't trying to put myself in one position, but
Yeah.
it is what it is. I got to deal with this.
Mm-hmm.
And one way or the other, it ain't like, oh, got me out here. You know, I'm healthy and shit. Just, my book bag. You see how this shit spread around? I got one waiting for my driver, or no, my regular ID, you know, so I can get a job. I had the back out flyer, now it's gone. You know, of course it was my fault, but it ain't like I was hot or whatever, just passed under the sleep.
Yeah.
Motherfuckers are crazy out here, man.
They are. But you do have a bed at that other place, right?
Yeah, but I'm just, you know.
It's not any better out here than it is in there.
You're absolutely right. But, you know, it's like this. It was just,
Are you south of Sullivan on Ryan, or are you right at the corner of Ryan and Sullivan?
ain't a refuge, trust me. It's down there by Safford. I got
Okay.
a chance to check it out. You know what I
I
mean?
know that place.
And it's like, you know, they call it the jungle down there. Not
Yeah.
because it's kind of cold. It used to be.
Mm-hmm.
But it is what it is, you know. Like, I mean, I got avenues open up. Like, I could go over here on Catherine and Safford. You know, I got a buddy. You know.
You do have a buddy over there?
Yeah.
He wants to give you a ride?
The appropriate hours.
It's 9:30.
No, I'm awake. I promise. I mean, if it makes you feel better, yeah, you can take me over there. But I was gonna go down, give me a cup of coffee, you know, give me a day off, whatever.
Okay. Well, do us a favor and just
Yeah, what you need, bro?
go ahead and clean up your stuff and show us that you can function, and we'll get on our way, right? Okay.
Good thing wasn't no naked, yoga.
No.
I appreciate it.
If you're naked, I'm going to tase you and take you to the hospital. I promise you. I don't touch naked dudes.
Nah, I was being funny.
I know, I am too.
Oh, man, I don't know.
Maybe sometimes on Thursdays.
Okay, but maybe.
Thursdays is a special day.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're making strides.
That's right. We need to make
I
strides.
mean,
See?
look, this is an honest question. If you're not disabled, whatever, you should have a decent job, you know, a private work or whatever. Yeah, so I had a decent thing, you know what I mean? However, and of course, motherfucker's missing, you know, hopefully I can get it to my daughter's house on Wilshire, you know, but I know it's going to be a couple of days. I mean, like my lifeline for my phone, you know, just after a couple of days, you know, little things like that ain't shit. But I ain't saying
It can hold you up, though.
Either, but
Yeah.
it's easy to open up the avenue.
Mm-hmm.
Little puppy don't want to listen, do they?
Try to stay focused and
I know,
let's
man,
pack
my
up your
back
stuff.
is killing me for sleeping over like that.
Yeah.
You were doing a nice little back bend when you showed up. Amazing.
Wow, sorry you guys
Tired
pulled
of
up.
watching me.
Oh, damn, how long was you out there?
Stay focused on partner set. Pick yourself up, all right?
Okay, man, I got it.
That's all right. Right.
No,
We're not looking to hook you up right now. You ever gone down to the Hope Center and talked to them or anything?
Who?
The Hope Center on
Oh,
Sullivan
the
Avenue?
House of Hope.
Yeah.
Here's the thing, you know, I'm gonna be honest with you. You're getting out, you just got done doing time. Best thing is finding, you know, a good little sober living.
Yeah.
Well, it's a 6-month program. Trust me, I did my homework. What happened?
He's playing with peeps. Is those yours?
Well, that was after he finger fucked them.
Oh, way to go. You just ruined them.
I used to bite the heads off the kids.
That's all right. That dope you smoked was probably in somebody's butthole, so. You know it's true.
Well, that could be. Let's just say.
So I'm pretty sure his fingers are cleaner than that butthole that your crack came out of.
You never know. It could have been here.
It could have been a really,
She didn't know about it. Oh, yeah.
it could have been a really clean butthole though. You never know.
Maybe that's why you're jumping
But you
on
know what?
sugar high.
It's the sugar. It's not the crack. It's the sugar.
Sugar.
No, I had a little while here, man.
You got a bad
Yeah.
peak, man.
No, but do you know the Hope Center on Sullivan in Oakley?
No, I'm not.
It's a good place.
I'm not
they've-
being that ass or what makes you think it's a good place. Because, you know, a few people.
I've stopped there and talked to them.
Okay.
They have a lot of people in recovery that work there.
Yep. April and Kelly, they'll take care
Yep.
of you in there.
And what's that other guy's name?
Steve?
I got it on my phone.
Bill.
Might be Scott.
Scott. I think you're right.
It's like that place right there on Broad Street in Bottoms on, was it Wisconsin?
Scott on. Yeah.
Integrated Services, right?
Yeah,
Like-
it's another one. Scott down at the Hope Center is a white dude with tattoos. He's a good guy. He's in recovery too. It's right across from the school on Sullivan, right down the road. You can stop in and talk to them. They can give you probably better advice than what we can.
The thing is, you know, anything that sounds good on my phone, you gotta check it
Woodford
out.
Elementary.
You can just walk down there. You can just walk down there. They're good people.
I'm not,
And if you need to get back on the straight and narrow, they'll help you with that. Probably better than we can.
They don't even know
trust me,
where
I
it occurred.
could.
They're trying to figure that out
A
now.
lot worse, you know, but still, I understand. I don't know, man.
We're just looking out for you, man.
Did you want me to wait or?
No, I guess they're figuring it out, but
Dude, this takes you
they'll have
a
it
long time
available
to do.
for you when you get there.
I'll try to be. Man, anything else, you guys gotta do something real.
We just gotta make sure you're gone.
Okay. Man, shit, we can go get some breakfast right on you guys, right? Sit down there for the phone. No.
Why do you bring up donuts with cops?
In a good way, it's a healthy donut. Cool. That sounds good. Another fucked up thing is like, I got care sores. I still ain't got anything yet for my blood pressure medicine. That was in my bag. I gotta do something today as far as get that back on.
You just walk into Mount Carmel, they'll take care of you.
Look, maybe. I'm hoping, but I don't know, man.
Yeah.
Bro,
You need to find the Hope Center across from the school on Sullivan. They will take care of you better than anybody else. You can tell them what you've been through, tell them about your situation. They'll have answers.
Ain't like I'm like super
And
struggling.
the nice thing
Always
is,
look at it, it could be worse.
Yeah.
Man, I can make it better.
the nice thing is they also have food there.
Well, yeah, that's definitely
84, do you want me to mark you headed to the academy?
ain't like I was that sick before I went in, but
No.
you know I'm getting. I'm like, this is my like basically
Okay.
last chance. Supposed to rain all day.
I don't know.
You guys like baseball at all?
A little bit.
You guys on it down here, Bob or Hilltop, but you like to, you guys ever remember Cooper Stadium? You guys ever get a chance to go there before?
I actually never went there.
I did.
I've only been to the new place once.
Same here. You know, I used to
How old are
play
you?
there? 48.
Hey, about my age. This was the place to go, man.
I was meant to make it down there for Diamond Dog Night, and I never
Yeah.
did.
Oh, you got to.
I think they still do it at
Yeah,
Huntington
yeah.
Park.
Yeah, I need to take my kids to a game. That'd be fun.
Huntington Park is nice. Have you been to Huntington Park there, bud?
Uh-huh.
Nice, isn't it?
2013. I like how you got sleeping up here when you got your seat that you're up more high. It's like you're on top of it.
Mm-hmm.
But, I'm like tradition. I miss it for more fag. I mean, I'm a diehard Braves fan, but the Yankees,
I hate the Yankees.
Yeah, Sanders, I reckon.
Oh, yeah.
What's that called? He had the carrot juice going on that day. I think probably the best quarterback ever played.
Best kid.
Well,
Dion.
his wife was real nice. You know, I mean, she was attractive, but, I just would remember your kid, like a buck boy, like, oh, this is pretty good. I'm trying to get the hot dog for him. Well, I'm not
Keep
here.
it dry. I don't give a crap.
Yeah. It's your stuff. You can leave it where you want. Nobody answered the door, so we can't verify that you're not allowed to be here. Just don't want the neighbors to keep calling in on you,
Right, yeah,
So, why don't you just head on down that way and find the Hope Center. It's a white building with a little wooden deck out front, right across the street from the school. And you can hang out there.
Touch you one peek, dude. You want to take it? I'm serious.
No, you're good. You can have it.
I don't want them.
No.
I mean, I'd like peeps, but usually I like them sealed up before I eat them. I touched that one. Those four are good. I think you got enough sugar in your body right now.
I know, I'm about to finish up. Oh, damn. The salt. All right.
All right, bro.
Good luck, man.
Hey, my cigarettes I had.
Yeah, you grabbed them. You put them in the side pocket of that.
They're always been conservative.
We try.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Yep. Take care.
I don't know when that.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Fine citizen.